Hello everyone, I'm Sheyko Yulia, and today we are going to talk about world population. This data from FAO data, and here we can see world population in 1950, 2025, and 2100 years. How we can see in 1950, world population was 2.5 billion people, and last year it was 8.2 billion people, and predict it will be more than 10 billion people in the world. Here we can see how line world population, and how we can see our population will be grow before 2085 year. It will be 10.2 billion, and after that we can see it will decline, and to 2100 years it will be 10.1 billion people. Here we can see rural and urban population, and this is lines very different. How we can see rural population was grown before 2021, has grown before 2021, and after this year we see decrease in this indicator, but urban population we can see grown before 20-50 years. And this is world trend. It's not about one country. And for male and female population, we can't see any difference. This is similar, like number, and similar for type of line, the same. And this table, we can see how world population grow from one year to another year, and I separate this period from 1950 to 2100 year by 3 periods, and third period this is 1950 to 2025. This period characterized that our population growth has grown in 3.3 times in this whole period, and the biggest growth we estimate number of people. This is India and China. Their population in India increased in more than 4 times, and China in 2.6 times. If we can estimate how population grows in times, we can see that Arabian countries have big rise, like Western Sahara, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain. We can see that this country rise in a lot of times. Also, we can see here African countries like Niger, Kenya, Brunei. Also, some countries decline their population. We can see like Bulgaria. This indicator less than 1, and it means that their population has decreased in this period. Also, we can see countries, some European countries that have almost the same number of population, like Hungary, Romania, a little rise in Germany, Portugal. If we estimate period from future period from 2025 to 2050, if we estimate population in the future, we can see some European country will decrease population, like Hungary, Romania, Germany, and this tender will be safe in next period. If we estimate which country will increase in this period, we can see that it will be a lot of African country, Angola, Somalia, Niger, Chad, Tanzania, Mali, Mozambique. Here we can see grow almost 2 times, and also in next period we also see in this country growth. Some countries more than 2 times.